Looking to upgrade your smoothie game without breaking the bank? Or maybe you're fed up with blenders that can't handle ice or frozen fruit? Meet the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender, an affordable, everyday essential built to blend, mix, and crush with ease. I am going to review it, so make sure to watch until the end. You can purchase it on Amazon. Just check the description for all the links. Let's talk about power. This blender delivers 700 watts of peak blending strength, which is more than enough for most everyday tasks. Think smoothies, milkshakes, and protein shakes. It features stainless steel ice saber blades specifically designed to tackle tough ingredients like ice cubes and frozen berries. If you're blending frozen veggies or thicker ingredients daily, you might hit its upper limit, but for standard use, this machine gets the job done efficiently. One of its biggest selling points? The Wave Action Blending System. Unlike typical blenders that leave ingredients stuck to the sides of the jar, this system continuously pulls everything down into the blades. The result? A smoother blend, fewer chunks, and no need to stop and scrape down the sides. Users often praise how well it performs with shakes and smoothies, especially when you're not overloading it with dense, hard-to-blend items. It comes with a 40-ounce glass jar, which is both practical and thoughtfully designed. As you know, glass is more durable than plastic and resists odors and staining, perfect if you're blending a variety of ingredients regularly. The size is great for multiple servings, making it ideal for families or meal prepping. And yes, the jar, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, so cleanup is quick and easy. There's also a built-in, spill-free pour spout that makes transferring your blend into cups or containers mess-free. It's a small touch, but it really helps avoid sticky countertops. When it comes to control, you get 12 blending functions accessible through 5 clearly labeled buttons. It keeps things simple while offering enough versatility. Whether you're pureeing soups, dicing fruits and veggies, or crushing ice, the settings are intuitive and don't require a tech manual. Weighing just 5.62 pounds, the Power Elite is light enough to move around your kitchen easily, but sturdy enough to stay in place during use. Its compact footprint means it won't hog your counter space, a big plus for apartment living, small kitchens, or anyone who values a clutter-free workspace. A couple of things to keep in mind. Some users have noted that the plastic base feels a bit lightweight, which may make it seem less sturdy compared to higher-end models. Also, the lid can require a little effort to secure tightly, especially when you're working with thicker mixtures. These aren't deal breakers, but worth considering depending on how often and what you'll be blending. Hamilton Beach includes a 1-year limited warranty. For full details, be sure to check with the seller. If you're looking for a budget-friendly blender that's easy to use, simple to clean, and delivers reliable daily performance, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite is a strong contender. It's perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, and other light to medium blending needs. Plus, the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. So if you want a blender that won't cost a fortune but still gets the job done, this one's definitely worth checking out. And yes, you can buy it right now on Amazon. All the links you need are in the video description below, so you can check pricing, availability, and customer reviews. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We keep it real with honest reviews you can actually trust. And if you're looking for a budget-friendly mixer grinder, we've ranked the top 5 under $150. Check out the links in the description and the end screen. Thanks for watching.